Hello guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are going to talk about the BETA.DIST function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function will return the cumulative distribution function, and in order to work with this function we need 6 parameters. So we need the x, the alpha, the beta, the true or false, the a and the b that are right here. So how exactly will this function work? So it's pretty simple. We are going to do it on the cell E13. So we're just going to write down our equal sign. And as always, we start with writing down the name of the function. So in this case, it's going to be BETA.DIST. Here we go. And then we can open up our parentheses. Now, as you can see, we have all our parameters that are here that we need to enter. So we'll start with the x. In our case, it's going to be 2. Then we have the alpha, which will be 2 as well. The beta, that will be, in our case, 11. So we can enter it here. Then for the true or false part, it's a choice between 2 elements. So if you select true, it's going to be a cumulative distribution function. And if you select false, it's going to be a probability density function. So in our case, I'm selecting true. So I entered true right here. Then for the A, it's going to be 1. And for B, it's going to be 6. And just like that, I can close my parentheses and run my function. As you can see, it will be 0.72512, the BETA.DIST of the following arguments. Now, if, for example, I decide to change one of the elements inside of my arguments right here, so let's say the x instead of 2, it's going to be 5. So it's going to become 1. If I decide to change the alpha, for example, for 7, as you can see, it's going to be 0.999992. If here instead of true I write down false, as you can see, just like that, it will return, well, another answer. So this is how we can work with the BETA.DIST function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.